Hey everyone, so I'm with my mom, you know, my crazy Greek grandma, we call her because she has grandchildren. Mom, did you know you're the crazy Greek grandma?
Yes.
Okay, so a question to the crazy Greek grandma, because Thomas Riner wants to know, what has been the key to life? What is important that allowed you to have this spunk, this vigor, and all this vitality at 93?
You can do it!
Yeah, but that was from the last video, Mom. No, but what do you think? She's very good at parroting things. What do you think the key to your success has been? Why are you so active at 93?
Because I'm happy.
Oh, you're happy. Okay. Yeah. Why are you happy?
I'm happy because I'm around all the people I love.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really good. So be around people you love. That's good.
Yes.
Any other advice?
Have money.
Have money! I tell you, she's good, isn't she? Nothing has been scripted here. Okay, what else? What else? What else? So have money, be happy, be around the people that you love.
And I'm with my favorite people, my daughter-in-law and my son.
Oh, okay.
My daughter-in-law, Leanne,
Very
who
cool.
is fantastic.
Wow.
And my son, who owns the world.
Oh, stop it. Okay, well, this is cool. So there you go, Thomas and the rest of the world from the Crazy Greek Grandma. Be happy, be around the people you love, and have money. There you go. Yeah. Mom, what are you going to tell them?
You can do it.
All right, take it to the camera, Mom.
You can do it.
All right.